The English law of contract remains today the primary deciding factor and risk allocation mechanism in more agreements, transactions, and disputes than almost any other substantive body of rules globally today. My name is Gregory K. McGoldrick, and I shall be your attorney instructor for the forthcoming Prague University of Economics and Business English Law of Contract ELOC course. We're very happy to announce this course. It is of such important relevance to everybody involved in trade agreements and international sales contracts or service contracts, soft commodities, precious metals, insurance agreements and risk allocation agreements of all kinds, finance agreements, construction and technology agreements, as well as key service agreements for directors and key staff, and of course for sale and purchase agreements for mergers and acquisitions. Now, if agreements were easy to construe and the disputes arising from them were easy to resolve, then we would not need this constellation of principles and rules to interpret agreements and to resolve disputes arising from them. But they're not easy to construe and resolve, and this is why we will be studying the negotiation and formation, formalities, interpretation of terms, and all of the essentials necessary to understand the formation of agreements, their performance, breach, vitiating factors and defenses that arise, the related doctrines in estoppels, restitution and the commercial torts, the remedies at law and available in courts of equity, and in addition, you'll understand some of the conflicts of law and private international law that arise. Furthermore, you will be able to examine the practice and procedure relating to disputes arising from contracts and practice skills as used by a British Commonwealth or international attorney. With this set of skills and their practical application to real-world agreements, you will have a better understanding of matters arising in your business or within your research. We do look forward to seeing you, whether you are a novice attorney, whether you are an experienced international attorney, whether you are a student of economics, a student at law, or a government procurement officer, or anyone involved in international or cross-border trade, commerce, or risk. Now, who is this ELOC course for? As I mentioned, if you are an attorney, a student at law, if you are a person who is a law clerk or paralegal dealing with these documents and these agreements, if you are a consultant, a banker, an accountant, or if you are an analyst or economist, this will be a course where you will learn some of the real-world application of the words on paper in commercial contracts. Risk professionals, merchant transactors of all kinds, company directors and officers, business and economics students, and faculty and research fellows will all benefit from the doctrines and rules and their application in this course. And indeed, the course is open for everybody, novice or experienced. Now, the course will be very collaborative. You'll become a master at issue identification and risk management with these enduring and very useful, deep and practical skills. Novel devices will be used for your learning, for faster acquisition and better memory retention, whether you are a beginner, student, or an experienced international attorney and advisor. I look forward to taking you through the course and opening the door to you to a deep and thorough understanding of the English law of contract. We set sail in September 2025. This is our inaugural year, and enrollments are open now. ELOC 25 at the Prague School of Economics and Business. We look forward to your enrollment and your questions.